In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have an automation that creates items on a schedule you choose, so nothing slips through the cracks. Start on your Monday.com homepage. From the left sidebar, open Workspaces, then pick the workspace where you want this to live. If you don't already have a board set up for these tasks, click the plus icon and choose Board to create one. If you do have a board, simply open it so we can add the automation. Inside the board, click Automate at the top. This opens Monday's Automation Center. Click Create to start building a new automation. You can browse the categories to see pre-built options or choose to create from scratch. For a simple recurring task, use the search bar and type every time period create an item. Select that recipe, then click Use Template. Next, click the every time period field to define the schedule. You can set it to run daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Daily works well for routine checklists. Weekly is perfect for things like Monday stand-ups. Monthly is handy for reports or billing. Yearly suits audits or anniversaries. Pick the frequency that matches your need and adjust the day or date details as prompted by your selection. When you're satisfied with the schedule, confirm by clicking Create to move on. Now, click into an item on your board to review how these recurring items should be structured. Look at the group where new items will land and make sure that's the right place to keep them organized. You can add a new item to test how it will appear. Check the person column so tasks can be assigned automatically later if you choose. Review the status column to define whether new items start as planned, to do, or any custom label your team uses. Confirm you have a date column if you want a specific due date, or a timeline column if the task spans multiple days. Having these columns in place ensures each generated item is immediately actionable. When everything looks good, return to the automation setup and click Create Automation to save it. From here on, Monday.com will create a new item at the interval you selected in the group you expect, following your board's column setup. If you need to tweak the schedule or fields later, you can always come back to Automate, edit the recipe, and keep your recurring tasks perfectly aligned with your workflow.